Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS Marketplace. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is AWS Marketplace? Using AWS Marketplace as a seller. Pricing of products in AWS Marketplace. AWS Marketplace management portal. Registration process and product types. So what is AWS Marketplace? AWS Marketplace is a carefully curated digital catalog offering a wide range of third-party software, data and services for customers to build solutions and run their businesses. Customers can easily discover, purchase, deploy and manage various solutions through AWS Marketplace platform, streamlining their business operations. The marketplace includes thousands of software listings from popular categories such as security, business applications, machine learning and data products catering to diverse business needs. AWS Marketplace provides targeted solutions for specific industries like healthcare, financial services and telecommunications, addressing specialized sector requirements. Customers can choose from various deployment formats including Amazon Machine Images, AMIs for quick launches, software as a service, SaaS for cloud-based applications and other options to suit different preferences. AWS Marketplace offers professional services to help customers configure, deploy and manage third-party software, ensuring smooth implementation and operation. Users can participate as buyers, also known as subscribers, or sellers, also known as providers. Any AWS account holder can be a buyer, while sellers can be independent software vendors, ISVs, channel partners, managed service providers, MSPs, or individuals offering AWS compatible products or services. Using AWS Marketplace as a seller. So first, register. As a seller, you start by registering for AWS Marketplace management portal, and it is recommended that you implement a new dedicated AWS account that can be easily linked with an existing AWS organization. Verify that the AWS partner's tax information meets the jurisdictional eligibility criteria. For AWS partners without an existing US bank account, you can create one at no additional cost by using Hyperwallet. Then you decide product type. So decide on the type of product that you want to sell, and you can find more information when you create the product types in AWS Marketplace. You can see the following options like AMI based products, container based products, machine learning products, SaaS based products or professional service products or data products. Third step is you prepare the product. You configure your package, set a pricing scheme, determine the relevant categories in which to list your product, and add keywords so your product appears in relevant searches. To simplify the procurement process, you can use standardized license terms for both public product listings and private offers. And submit product. So use the product submission process to make your products available in AWS Marketplace. Products can be simple, for example, a single Amazon machine image that has one price structure, or products can be complicated with multiple AMIs, AWS CloudFormation templates, and complex pricing options and payment schedules. Then market your product. So contribute to the success of your product by driving awareness of AWS Marketplace and by driving traffic directly to your product pages in AWS Marketplace. View reports and data feeds. After you have registered as a seller, use AWS Marketplace management portal to access usage reports for your products. AWS Marketplace provides tools for collecting and analyzing information about your product sales. And lastly, manage products. Use the AWS Marketplace management portal to manage your account and product pages. So pricing of products in AWS Marketplace. First is about product availability. So AWS Marketplace offers both free and paid products catering to various customer needs and budgets. Simplified billing process. All charges for paid products are conveniently added to your buyer's AWS bill. AWS handles payments to sellers, streamlining the entire process. So there are diverse product types which I already talked about. So you have Amazon AMIs, you have CloudFormation templates, you have software as a service, web access control list ACLs, and rule sets for AWS WAF, web application firewall, and professional services from independent software vendors, channel partners or managed service providers. And flexible pricing models. So AWS Marketplace offers flexible pricing options. So you have free trials which allow buyers to test products before purchase. Then you have hourly billing for pay-as-you-go usage, which is ideal for short-term needs. Then you have monthly plans which balance flexibility and predictable cost. Then annual and multi-year subscription provide lower rates for long-term commitments. And you can bring your own license form model also for using existing software licenses. Customizable purchasing options. So customers can choose from various purchasing options. Standard pricing with the independent software vendors, ISVs, end user license agreement, EULA. Then private offers with custom pricing and EULAs tailored to specific needs. And lastly, you have contract based purchases with specific time or usage boundaries. And last thing to be aware about is post purchase management. So after subscription, buyers can efficiently manage their purchases. AWS Service Catalog integration allows copying and managing product access within the organization, and buyers can control how products are accessed and used in their AWS environment. Next is about AWS Marketplace Management Portal. So this management portal helps you, this is the tool that you use to register as an AWS Marketplace seller and manage the products that you sell in AWS Marketplace. So we use this management portal. You can complete various tasks on the portal, including registering as a seller, submitting and updating software products, monitoring request status, uploading files, managing revenue, measuring marketing results, enabling customer service, and initiating AMI scans. Seller registration. So using this management portal, you can register as an AWS Marketplace seller. Then we have already seen product management. So use the products page to submit new software products and update existing software products. Request monitoring. So monitor the status of your request through the portal. File upload. You upload files needed to create and manage your new software products. You can do revenue and management. So manage your software products into incremental channel revenue by taking advantage of the go-to-market activities. Marketing analytics. So measure the results of your marketing efforts within hours of launch, including the usage and revenue driven by your campaigns. Customer service support. You can enable customer service representatives to retrieve customer data in real time. And lastly, AMI vulnerability scanning. So initiate an automatic Amazon machine image AMI scan to detect vulnerabilities in case you are publishing any images as products. Okay, seller registration process. So first is you create your public profile, provide your company name and logo for display on Marketplace. Second, you provide tax information, submit necessary tax and value added tax VAT details for compliance. Provide banking information, enter your US bank details for payment processing, and configure AWS IAM. You can use Identity and Access Management IAM to set user permissions and access the AWS Marketplace Management Portal. So you can give in your organization somebody like if you are a vendor or something, like who can actually interact with this particular service. So you can through role-based access control, you can give it to few individuals or teams to handle this uploading of products and all, because this is a bit sensitive. Okay, next we have already seen, but we'll just go a bit details, like types of products. First one is AMI based products. So deliver products. It deliver products via Amazon machine images. AMIs provide the info required to launch EC2 instances with your product pre-installed. Buyers are billed for instance they create following your pricing. So you publish an AMI, and if they want to use, they will build for using your custom AMIs. They can also create custom versions of the AMI, and EC2 instances are built as your product based on the AMI product code. So they will be using some kind of product code, and based on that they will be built, and you will get some revenue or you will get some profit out of that. Next is container based products. So this supports Docker containers. Container products include delivery options with container images and deployment templates. You can submit up to 4 delivery options, each with container images, usage instructions, and deployment templates. Next is machine learning products. So create ML algorithms and models for deployment on AWS. There are 2 types. So model package, pre-trained model for predictions, no further training needed. And next one is algorithm. So requires buyers to supply training data, includes training algorithm. This is available through SageMaker console or AWS Marketplace. Buyers can review product details, subscribe, and use AWS SDKs, CLI or SageMaker console to create REST interface endpoints or perform batch inference. Next is SaaS based products. So deploy software hosted on AWS and grant buyers access, manage customer access, account creation, resource provisioning, and account management within your software. And lastly, software services products offer services to assess, migrate, support, manage, and train on AWS services and products. Describe your services, negotiate terms with customers, and create custom offers through AWS Marketplace. So these are activities which will be involved with professional services products. And that's all. Thanks for watching.